Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So long time no see, I have not made any long video since like past 6 or 7 days, but anyways, I'm here today, and today I'm going to tell you some of the mistakes that all of us make in common sentences while forming sentences. So without wasting any more time, let's get straight into it and see what are those mistakes. So, this mistake we make quite often. Whenever we want to say someone is getting better, we say he becomes better. But that's grammatically incorrect and it's not an appropriate sentence. So, rather than saying he becomes better, just say he got better, because got is grammatically correct, and this sentence sound much more appropriate and reasonable than he becomes better. So next time whenever you want to say someone is getting better, just say he got better, not he becomes better. All right, this is the most misinterpreted sentence. That is, when someone visits you, you just straightforward ask them, would you like a drink? But do you know that would you like a drink is asked for alcohol? Drink actually represent alcohol or beer, that alcoholic beverages. So would you like a drink simply means would you like to drink alcohol, but the correct the correct grammatical sentence is would you like something to drink. That sounds much more appropriate and it's grammatically correct as well. So next time whenever you want to ask something, if they want to drink something, just say would you like something to drink, not would you like a drink. If you are asking would you like a drink, you are actually offering alcohol. All right, so keep that in mind next time. Now this sentence I'm tired of hearing, and my grammar Nazi just take over me whenever someone says it was still bright outside. That's very wrong. You don't have to say it was still bright outside. Instead you have to say it was still light outside. Alright, it was still bright is not the appropriate word. If you want to refer something is like there is light outside, just say it was still light outside, not it was still bright outside. Please keep that in mind. Alright, so suppose you are a doctor and someone visits you. So will you say to that person that let me examine your pulse, or will you say let me feel your pulse? Well, actually you will say let me feel your pulse because it's a more grammatically appropriate. Examining something is like seeing something, seeing the faults in something. That's a totally different thing. Feeling the pulse is the correct word that you use here, because you actually place your hands on the wrist and feel the pulse. So next time don't say examine the pulse, just say let me feel the pulse, because feeling the pulse is actually the appropriate word that you use here. Alright, so I myself have made this mistake quite a lot of time. Like whenever I get paid and someone asks me that what about your salary, I just simply say I get my salary on the first day of the month. But that's wrong, that's totally wrong, that's inappropriate, that's grammatically incorrect. The correct form of the sentence is I get paid on the first day of the month. Paid is the appropriate word that you will use here instead of saying I get my salary, because like paid it simply represent whenever you get salary, you don't have to say I got the salary. For God's sake, just say I got paid. Paid is the appropriate word. All right, hands down this is the most commonly mistaken sentence that everyone have used once in their life. That is I have free time. Well, whenever you are free, someone asks like can you spare a minute, and you simply say I have free time. But that's wrong. All right, you have to say I am free. I am free is simple and it delivers the correct message. So instead of elaborating it and saying I have free time, just simply say I am free, because it's much more grammatically appropriate and it fits very well and it conveys the message as well. So next time just say I am free, not I have free time. This is also one of the most mistaken sentence, that is did you attend the college. Now people think that using attend in this sentence will make this sentence much more fancy, but that's wrong. You actually have to say, did you go to the college? Because did you attend the college is wrong. Did you go to the college is simply correct. Attending, you attend the class, you don't attend the college. All right, you can say I attended that class, but you don't have to say that you attend the college, because you simply go to the college, you don't attend the college. So next time just say I go to, did you go to the college, not did you attend the college. All right. So suppose there is a family that you're well acquainted with. All right, so their son does something good to you, so you simply say you're very nice as your father. But do you know that as your father is very wrong? Okay, it's not grammatically correct. Instead you have to say you're very nice like your father. As your father is not the correct word, like your father is the correct word. So next time whenever you want to say something, someone is nice like their father, just say like your father, not as your father. Alright, so that's all for today. I'll be taking a leave now, and I'll meet you in the next video, and I'll come up with many more video on many more topic. And please do let me know in the comments if you want something special. Alright, so meet you next time. I'll be signing off. Bye bye.